Greetings, fellow gunsmiths, and welcome to the ghetto. I'm carrying my breech block from 20mm round bar at 46mm long. Going to give the ends a light linish so we can drill a hole in the centre. To get our hole in the centre, I'm going to start off with a block of wood. I'm going to clamp this down to the drill press and use my centre drill from the lathe to get a hole in the centre. That's our start point. I'm then going to move to a spade bit. I'm starting with 18mm and working my way up progressively to 20mm because I want the round bar stock to be a nice tight fit in the hole. Now that I have my round bar stock in the wood, I drill it just a little bit with the centre drill and then check with my ruler that I do have a hole started in the centre. The best technique that I have found is to use plenty of lube and keep the flutes of the drill bit clean. So drill a little bit and then clean the swarf out of the drill. Drill a little bit more and clean the swarf out. I can't emphasise this enough. Lots of lube and keeping the drill bit clean of swarf will give you a nice straight hole. I checked that the hole is in the centre at both ends. It's looking pretty good, and it will work just fine for an expedient homemade firearm made with no machine tools. If you like this video and you would like to see more, please subscribe and leave any comments and questions below.